Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to use Spen to take pictures in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, go to the bottom side of your phone and take Spen. Just one press this button and Spen will come out from your phone and take it out from your phone. Just pull it out. Okay, this is called Spen. Now to take pictures, what you have to do is open camera, go to camera, and then now to take pictures, just with S Pen touch on this shutter button. Okay, now it takes picture. See here, to take selfie photo, reverse to the selfie mode and then click on shutter button. Just one press on the shutter button and it will take photo. Okay, in this way you can easily take pictures using a pen. If you want to focus on the particular object, just touch on the subject. Here I would like to use this subject and it will be focused, and then click on shutter button, pictures will be taken. In this way you can easily use S Pen to take pictures in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.